This little motor here, meant to show you more of it as we tore it apart. A little blown vet that our one guy has that developed a rod knock. So we picked up another motor for him just to try and finish the summer with it. So we're going to try and put it in. It was a 305 with a TPI and everything on it. It's supposed to be a good run motor, but it's been under a bench for a long time. So we pulled all the TPI off. And we're just going to clean up some of the motor and then repaint it and stick it in his car. We'll maybe run it on an engine run stand. Well, I don't know if we'll run it, but we'll at least pressure it up and make sure it's got good oil pressure in that. And we'll stick that on for now, and he can get through the summer. We pulled it apart and had a look. It's a little grungy inside, but it should all clean up. It did end up having roller lifters in it. It is supposed to be an HO, so actually makes a little bit more horsepower than his stock 350 did, and we think his 350 is just stock with the blower on it. So we'll see what this one does, but you can follow along as we clean it up. Should have did some other videos. We had to weld some nuts on the heads of some bolts and stuff to get them off. Should have showed you that, but we got busy working and not videoing. So we'll show you some stuff along the way. Okay, thanks.